Today we talk about how can you find your agents on your area on your Redfin app. So all you have to do, so you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do inverse. You just go down, click here on Redfin, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next. So you just go down here, you click here on your agent, you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you go down here, and here can you find here an agent in your area here. Click and search here. Then it's going to show for you on your on your Redfin app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.